Today, we will go over the long sound of the letter U. The long sound of the letter U sounds like U. U. This is the word uniform. The word uniform uses the long sound of the letter U. Uniform. This is the word June. The word June also uses the long sound of the letter U. June. This is the word true. The word true also uses the long sound of the letter U. True. This is the word cube. Cube is another word that uses the long sound of the letter U. Cube. This is the word juice. The word juice also uses the long sound of the letter U. Juice. This is the word cute. The word cute uses the long sound of the letter U. Cute. This is the word ruler. The word ruler also uses the long sound of the letter U. Ruler. This is the word tune. The word tune is another word that uses the long sound of the letter U. This is the word fruit. Fruit uses the long sound of the letter U. Fruit. This is the word unicorn. The word unicorn also uses the long sound of the letter U. Unicorn. This is the word suit. Suit uses the long sound of the letter U. Suit. This is the word blue. The word blue also uses the long sound of the letter U. Blue. These are only a few words that use the long sound of the letter U. I'm pretty sure you can think of some more.